it should be pretty clear that I love every little thing you do, my dear. I have one question. What are you waiting for?
You're like up close.
Oh yes, I do.
Starlight is
Oh my gosh, they're playing
bending.
bagpipes.
They are.
Oh my god, it's so Canadian. I don't know. Oh, is this the Empress? Oh my god, it's super pretty. Oh my god. Are we staying here? Oh my god. Are we staying here? Bagpipes as we
I know.
approach the Empress. Like an hour later. Oh my god.
That's awesome.
We're at the
That's
Empress
awesome.
listening to bagpipes outside my window with a view of the Parliament building at sunset. Like, happy birthday to me.